In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Microsoft Word documents by adding a textured background. This simple touch can turn your plain documents into impressive-looking creations, whether you're working on a formal report or a creative assignment. Let's dive in and explore how you can customize your pages to make your work stand out. Begin by opening the Microsoft Word file you want to modify. If you're unsure how to find your file, remember that it's usually saved on your computer, possibly under Documents or in a dedicated folder for Word files. Once you have the file open, you'll be greeted by the familiar Word interface. Next, direct your attention to the top of your screen where you'll see various tabs that organize Word's features and tools. You'll want to click on the Design tab. This area is your go-to hub for visual adjustments, offering a range of options to play around with. For today, our focus is on the page background to give your document a fresh new look. Now look towards the upper right part of your screen within the Design tab. You'll spot a section labeled Page Background. This section contains several tools, but the one we need is Page Color. Clicking on Page Color will open a drop-down menu showing different color options. You're welcome to play with these colors for a simple touch-up, but we're going a step further by adding texture. From the drop-down menu, select Fill Effects. This option is like a hidden gem in Word as it unlocks additional creative possibilities. When you click it, a window will appear showcasing different tabs such as Gradient, Texture, Pattern, and so on. In this window, click on the Texture tab. Here's where the fun really begins. Word offers a diverse collection of textures to choose from. Whether you prefer something subtle like canvas or a bolder option such as marble, there's a texture to match your document's theme and your personality. Browse through the choices and select the one that appeals to you most. Simply click your desired texture and your document will instantly take on a whole new character. And just like that, you're done. This simple yet effective transformation illustrates how much of a difference a little background change can make. It doesn't just alter the aesthetic, but also the perception of the document, potentially making your work more engaging to readers. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel inspired to experiment with texture in your documents. Remember, a little creativity often goes a long way in making your work stand out. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.